Hi, my name is David Tortellini, and I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing at 1304 Grimes Road in Hampton, Virginia. And this isn't just any old ordinary listing. I am actually the owner of this home, along with my business partner and fellow realtor, Heiju Kim. We purchased this home a little while back and have completely renovated it for the new homeowners. I'm really excited to show you around. It is absolutely beautiful inside, so let's go check it out. All right, before we head in, we freshened up all the landscaping here, put a brand new roof on this house, painted all the siding so it looks really, really nice. This is a great looking home from the outside and in, so let's go check it out. All right, and as you enter the home, you're going to see that it is big and open. So we have really opened up this property to make it very comfortable and give you that open feel that you're looking for when you are buying a new home these days. So when we got it, there was a big wall here, and it had the weirdest HVAC system in it I've ever seen. I've never seen it before, and it was built into the wall here. So we got rid of that wall, got rid of that HVAC system, so put in brand new HVAC for you. And then we were able to completely gut the kitchen, redo it. So you've got brand new cabinets, you've got the brand new granite counters and stainless steel appliances. It looks beautiful now. So we also have LVP flooring throughout the main living space. And you can see the nice recessed lights that we put in here to give you that good, clean, modern look. And then over here, what we did was this area was a semi-converted garage. So it looked terrible. The space was really useless, but we were able to turn it into a primary bedroom with a new ensuite bathroom. So when we bought this house, it was only basically a 2-bed, 1-bath. Now it's a 3-bed, 2 full bath home. And we were able to really make it functional and nice. So you come check this out. This room, we were able to turn into a space that's big enough. This is a queen size bed with nightstands, so you have plenty of room here. You could actually even go to a king, I think, and still have enough room in this space. And then we were able to put in this brand new ensuite bathroom. So really nice. You're able to have a brand new shower and with the brand new vanity and everything there. And then we also were able to use this space to build a huge master closet. So this closet is big enough that if you still want big dressers, you could put them in there, or you could, you could just put in a great shelving system and you'd be able to use that because this is as big a closet as you're going to find in a house like this. All right, so let's go check out this other space that we were able to create, and that is this laundry room right here. So if you go into the laundry room, you're going to see that this space did not exist before. We've got a brand new water heater, and that is a brand new electric panel as well. So when we bought the house, the panel had been pulled from the home, so there was no panel whatsoever. So we had to put in all new electric throughout the entire house, and we were really able to bring this home up to code. And so you got a 200 amp panel, totally brand new in this house. Now, one of the things that we also did, we put in brand new sliding door that heads out to this great screened-in porch. So we were really fortunate this screened-in porch was already here. All we had to do for this was really just get the screens replaced. A lot of those just needed to be replaced and touched up. A little paint on the door, but this is just a really great little bonus space. It's so nice to have a screened-in porch here in Virginia, where during the summer we get all those mosquitoes and things like that. So this is just a really cool, chill place to hang out in your backyard. So we cleaned up the backyard quite a bit. It was really overgrown, so at least now it is in a place where it's functional and you can use it and let the kids go play, let the dogs go run around. So it's a good space now. All right. And then we'll head down the hall. So our other 2 bedrooms are going to be down here down the hall. And first things first, we're going to have the hall bathroom. So in this bathroom, we reglazed all the tile, put in a brand new double sink vanity, new lights and mirrors. So we're really able to really freshen this up and give it that modern look. And we replaced the back window with a new privacy window. The one there before was disgusting. So we've got that. So that's looking good now. And we've got our 2 bedrooms that were here previously. They have all new drywall, new carpet, new paint. So really freshened these up, gave them a good, new, modern, clean look. And that's what we were able to do in this home. So really everything in this is new. it is a really beautiful property. It's going to be great for whoever buys it. And not only was the drywall done in here, but it was done throughout much of the home. So as you can see, this is just a really great property. I think it's going to be a really great fit for whoever decides to buy 1304 Grimes Road. Okay, well, there it is, 1304 Grimes Road. I hope you enjoyed our tour and getting an opportunity to see some of the before and the after. We really are proud of how this home came out, and we're hoping to put a great new homeowner in it soon. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. We'd love to show it to you. It's going to have to be quick because I think it's going to go fast. All right, my name is David Tortellini. I'm with eXp Realty. Thanks so much for watching.